Bro, this life where you dey live, get wetin dey console you. You know understand? Bad things go happen for your life, but the sweetest thing is that once you have things where they console you, it go be like say nothing happen. Today, my TikTok account over 3 million followers. They take am down. Poor people just they cry, they rejoice, they twerk. Say because they take my account down. Waiting my downfall, what do for you Nigerians? But the end of the day, you are rejoicing. I don't want you to give me. I don't my AMG. GLE precisely. In the street of Warri, Delta State, enjoying my life. You know understand? I go supervise one of my projects now where they go on. Nigeria hard, not for everybody. Just because say it hard for you, not me say it hard for everybody. You see the way very dark man and Bill Lord get issue. Bill of Vest go collect one bad car to console himself. Now so it just be. You know understand? So I'm on my GLE going to supervise $1 million.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.